the 7 deadliest cancers, and why there's no cure. These are the most deadly cancers, yet all cancers are terrible. Cancer is the second most common cause of mortality after heart disease, which contributes to the dread and terror that often accompany a cancer diagnosis. Lung cancer, colorectal cancer, and liver cancer were the 3 malignancies that claimed the most lives globally in 2020, according to the World Health Organization, 830,000 deaths. 5-year relative survival for pancreatic cancer, 11.5%. The pancreas, which aids in digesting, is where pancreatic cancer first manifests itself. According to SEER data, pancreatic cancer is the deadliest of the digestive system malignancies, with less than half of patients living 5 years after diagnosis. Mesothelioma, relative 5-year survival, 12%. According to the ACS, the mesothelium is a layer of cells that line specific bodily cavities and covers internal organs, opens in new tab. One malignancy of these cells is mesothelioma. The pleura, the mesothelium that encircles the lungs, is where 3 out of every 4 mesotheliomas originate. Pleural mesothelioma is the name of this type of malignancy. 5-year relative survival for gallbone cancer, 19.4%. The gallbladder is the initial site of this digestive system malignancy. Bile, a chemical produced by the liver that aids in digestion, is concentrated and stored in the gallbladder, which is situated beneath the liver. Gallbladder cancer risk is considerably increased by gallstones, which are tiny, hard deposits of cholesterol and other substances. 5-year relative survival for esophageal cancer, 20.6%. The muscular tube that carries food from the throat to the stomach is the esophagus. Older age, being a man, smoking, consuming alcohol, and having acid reflux, in which stomach acid rises into the lower esophagus, are risk factors for esophageal cancer. 5-year relative survival for liver and intrahepatic bile duct cancer, 20.8%. One of the most prevalent types of cancer in the world is liver cancer. Chronic hepatitis B or hepatitis C infections are the main cause of liver cancer. Blood and semen are just 2 body fluids that can spread either of these illnesses. Although there is no vaccine for hepatitis C, the CDC advises that all children receive the hepatitis B vaccine. 5-year survival for lung and bronchial cancer, 22.9%. The most common types of cancer worldwide are lung and bronchial. The main causes of it include smoking and using tobacco products. Small cell lung cancer, which spreads more quickly than non-small cell lung cancer, is one of the 2 main forms. Quitting smoking is the best thing smokers can do to get ready for treatment. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, immunotherapies, and, in the case of non-small cell lung cancer, targeted treatments are all forms of treatment for lung cancer. 5-year survival for pleural cancer, 22%. Pleural cancer can develop in the layer of cells that covers the lungs or in the pleural cavity, the area inside the chest cavity but outside the lungs. Pleural tumors are not always mesotheliomas, though. According to Cronin, many of these non-mesothelioma pleural malignancies are tissues of unknown histology, which means that no one knows what kind of tissue or cell they are. Radiation, chemotherapy, or surgery may all be used as pleural cancer treatments. Thank you and be careful.